In this video, we're going to demonstrate how ProCal, ProCal-Track and ProSales integrate together to enable automated creation of invoices, simplifying and speeding up your calibration workflow. I'm going to complete this calibration, and here we can see the pricing options which are showing, including the fast turnaround surcharge, which was selected at booking in stage. The pricing is automatically selected based on the procedure that we performed. We can also add optional extras such as fuses and batteries at this stage. We also have the option to add engineer's notes. I'm now marking this calibration up as complete. After the calibration certificate has saved back to the database, we can now open up the approval application and find our certificate ready to digitally approve. Here we can see all of the information regarding the job, including the report that's going to be displayed on. We can click backwards and forwards through the certificate, viewing it exactly how it will appear and print out to the customer, both in hard copy and digital formats. At this stage, we can also click View Order and view the order that the customer has provided and been scanned in, ideal for certificate and contract review. Now the certificate has been approved, I'm going to jump into ProCal-Track and I'm going to process this order to generate paperwork and calibration labels. I can view all jobs that have certificates already approved. Here we have our job. We can see all of the instruments on the job, the dispatch address, the invoice address, and any other pertinent information. We also get the option to view the scanned order once again so that this is visible at all points through the system. I'm now generating the paperwork. I'm going to store it as PDFs. And now we're going to proceed to dispatch. If there were any accessories on the order, it would now flag out saying we need to scan them. We get the option to fill in the courier, any weights and dimensions, so this information is then all recorded. Then again, we generate the final pieces of paperwork ready to assign to the box. This includes a box ID label, which can be affixed to the package to ensure tracking throughout the building and at the point of dispatch. Now that all of our paperwork has been generated, we move to ProSales, where we're going to generate the final invoice, which will then also get pushed across into our accounting package, in this case Sage line 50. And now we go to open the invoice and view it on screen. From this screen, we get the option to go in and edit the invoice to correct any errors. We can also view the order once again to confirm that everything is correct, to confirm the courier or any discounts that may be applied. We can also configure the invoice address in the event that it is different from the dispatch address. Once we have confirmed everything is correct, we're going to untick these print options as for the purposes of the demonstration and click Export Data. The Sage utility pops up, integrates into Sage 50, creates the product transactions, updates the customer information if any updates have been performed in the ProSales database. And after confirming that the invoice has been correctly posted into the account software, we can now move across back into Sage, perform an update to look at the records, and here we can see our latest invoice created, where we can view it in our accounts package. It has moved across line by line items, the customer's purchase order, and also applied any other information that might be on the customer's account. At this stage, you can make any changes that may be needed before posting the invoice to your ledgers and emailing to your customer.